Sorry, the last video cut off kind of early. Meant to also mention when I turn off the ignition. Oh, hang on, I'll give you the full effect of IPC warnings. Okay, well that's enough of that. So I turn this off, open the door, and I come down here. You see that parking light flashes. Now, whether these are new symptoms because I disconnected both the 12-volt batteries to try and force the system to restart, probably. They'll probably go away just like last time, though. Enough of that. Just gonna let the vehicle do the talking for a minute. Anyway, that's it for now. Keep you updated.